Come here. It's right here. Come here. Look. Come here. There he is. Alright, so I have all these different little starts that I was going to go ahead and plant in here. I don't know exactly where I'm going to plant yet. But I'm thinking like in here somewhere or maybe over here. Honestly, for some of these it might be like kind of late to be planting them because they're like cold weather crops, and we are I mean, we got about a month, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and just plant some things just because I have them, so you might as well. Planted cabbage all the way down this row. I don't know how that's gonna be when like I actually, like when they're all grown in. Ahead and put up this netting for the peas that are coming up. I weeded the peas, then I dumped cow manure around these rhubarb to suppress the weeds. Lay the manure to try to help suppress the weeds. Like, I'm not even gonna weed them, I'm just gonna dump manure on top of them and hope that it kills them. So I actually got this all done, which I don't have like any more manure, so it was like perfect amount for this row. But after thinking about it, I think I'm gonna plant the beets like along the edge of the peas and see how that goes. I've never done that before. I'm sure it will be okay. So what I think I'm actually gonna do, I know I keep changing my mind, is I'm gonna change the drippers on here, and then I'm going to water really, really well so that this soil is moist for when I plant the beet so that it's easier. I'm gonna be replacing these drippers with flag drippers. I started out with these just because that's what my dad used to use, and that's all I really knew. But as I have done my own gardening, I've realized I really don't like these. They break off really easily. Sometimes they get clogged and don't work very well. So what I've actually found is I actually really like these flag kind. I prefer the 2 gallons per hour ones. There we go. So I didn't actually break that one. So I'm just gonna keep it as like a backup in case one of my other ones break and I need a replacement and I don't have one. I can just stick this in there. So I will keep it, but I do like the flag ones better. Place that, there's my hole. Stick it back in the hole. Voila, all done.